Morning. Well, hi there. How are you this morning? Back to the Tucson weather briefing. I'm going to start doing this again every day, in theory. Let's see how that goes. All right. Here's yesterday's numbers. We did hit 101. I don't know if you can see the cursor or not, but it's over the 101, which is our just 1 degree above our average after a morning start right at average of 75. The airport did manage a trace of rainfall, but most of the activity was to our west and some pretty strong storms west of us yesterday. But kind of as expected, the city missed out. Look at this so far this month, almost 2 inches. And for the year, we are ½ inch above average for the year. But if you go back to October, we're still behind. So still, call it drought conditions, although the mountains are looking awfully green. Across the street from me, Push Peak there. Sunrise this morning was 5:30, sunset tonight at 7:30. Let's scroll up at TucsonWeather.us and talk about today's forecast. So just a 20% chance of showers in the metro this afternoon. Storms will be forming mainly on the mountains today. We do have a lot of moisture at the surface, but drier air on top of us. So it's going to be harder for storms to get going today. But the mountains, you know, you get a little extra lift, what we call orographic lift, right? Something like that. So when the winds blow, it doesn't matter what direction because the mountains are, you know, when the wind hits the mountains, it has to go up. And you need lift for thunderstorms to form, so you get automatic lift wherever there are mountains. So storms forming on the mountains first today, this afternoon. And then by late afternoon, evening, some of those drifting into the valley. So we'll call it a 20% chance for us valley dwellers today. 98 or so for a high, 78 by tomorrow morning, as storms will die out after sunset. Tomorrow, just a 10% chance, but that goes up to 30% by tomorrow evening. And then we kind of shut down monsoon for a while. So Friday, 10%, 20%. Highs near 100, and as we get into the weekend, only a 10% chance Saturday, 101. Basically no chance of rain Sunday and Monday. 103 Sunday, 106 on Monday and Tuesday. Yikes. And just a 10% chance of storms on Tuesday. But the moisture comes back. Monsoon 2018 comes back by mid next week. Let's see what the national forecast looks like and what the experimental national forecast chart looks like at the Weather Prediction Center. The Weather Prediction Center. I just love this because it gives you a kind of a broad brush view. So we live right there, if you can see the cursor. I don't know if the cursor is being recorded or not, but we live right there. So just inside of this big area of showers and storms possible. Most of Arizona into Southern California, Southern Nevada, Southern Utah, and into New Mexico. So just a little bit of a chance here. Our upper level disturbance that moved through yesterday that caused the strong storms to our west has moved on. It's now in the basically Baja California. So too far west to really affect us today, but just the moisture that's in place at the surface gives us that slight chance of showers and storms today. Here we go. Severe weather possible over parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, and Kansas, and some flash flooding along with some of that possible. Tomorrow, here we go. We're still inside the green paint, so we still have a slight chance of showers and storms. And Friday, there we go. Still a slight chance of showers and storms here in Arizona. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Monsoon 2018, the rain mainly on the wane right now. But next week, we'll start to pick things up in earnest, and through most of that time, we'll still at least have a slight chance of storms, hopefully near you. So that's this morning's Tucson weather brief. I'm going to hit stop record, and then I'm going to post this and share it with y'all. We'll try and do this every morning again. Have a great day.